I am TCO. I am from Johan Kota Damansara. My dream job is to be a teacher. What is a teacher? A teacher help children learn new things every day. Why do I want to be a teacher? Because I want to teach children to read. And why? Where do I work? I work at a school. What tools do I need? I need a whiteboard to teach. I also need a book. Who will support me in my journey? My parents will support me in my journey. They love me very much. How can I achieve my dream? I will always be kind and patient so that everyone can learn and have fun. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you so much to Weng Kit. Well done.
Your